Hey guys, so as a lot of you know, I am, as of right now, holding shorts on BTC because I do think it's gonna keep trailing down. I bought shorts all the way back up here at 57K, 58, 59, and I think I have a sell limit up towards the 60K mark. But I've been buying shorts, or I've been shorting BTC since 58, 59,000, and I'm still currently holding my shorts. We might see. I'm trying to gauge to see how strong this pullback is going to be on Bitcoin. We actually should have started this pullback. You guys can see it right here. I think it's actually going to go up, touch that 200 MA, and then drop. Because on the week, or sorry, on the day chart, at least on the daily, it's looking extremely bearish. At least for BTC on this way down. I mean, the last time we sold off from highs of what, 64, 65. Down to lows of, so in around 2 weeks, right? In 11 days, we lost about 17,000 points. I'm gonna gauge off just the same forecast. So highs of 60K, 11 days, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. That doesn't matter, but 17, like around 17.3, right? So like 17.3. So as of right now, I hate when I'm using TradingView on the mobile version because you can't really see much. But in around 12 days, maybe by around May, the mid-May, I am expecting Bitcoin. As far as the time frame goes, we can definitely drop a lot faster, a lot shorter, a lot shorter time frame. But I am expecting BTC to go all the way back to at least 45,000. I mean, as far as like what we recently dropped in that previous drop down from 65K, as of right now, I'm fully expecting us to hit 45,000 on BTC just because of how extremely bearish we are right now. And I'm gonna keep holding on to my shorts. I'm not gonna be selling anything until I'm not gonna be thinking about playing out of my shorts until we actually hit 49K minimum, and then I'll go back to the chart and I'll test it. But yeah, I mean, I've been shorting it since up here, since like around 58, 60K. I still think Bitcoin has a long way down to go. I definitely think it's very possible for it to go all the way down back to 45K, potentially a lot lower. And even on the month, man, look at this huge, I don't know, I'll go deeper into this a little bit later when I release another TA. But yeah, I'm definitely still pretty bearish on Bitcoin. So I'll see you guys later.